Welcome back. It is what it is. Already on a swing when as diva ndi mafungo bezi. Yo, guys, I just watched the live video ya Razie Kay. Akosa musumbizisa ngandile ori hoiti ya mini usika une ene apedza akubva karita D entertainment. What I'm gonna say is ori it's a good friend. He's a guy that I think has a good, big potential to still make it in the industry, talented and all that. But what I see in Zori, he still lacks a lot of knowledge when it comes to Shidaka. Kama pungo I understand bisimusi kana uchimbidzere kama bindu la muzika. Kana wimbiri, kana entertainment, kana mvumvusi. There's still a lot zine. He still needs to learn, man. He still needs to understand. He still needs to get to learn all that. First of all, I think he still needs to understand. Open up la kwambori album yawe ika Rita, and then he spoke something about contracts. But when it comes to the contract that you sign and you let the company release your music or somebody release your music, depending on your agreement, you can have a split. You'll get your royalties depending on your agreement. Nyuko job guy. But when that's the first album, I didn't really go into details. But nichiko those zamapungori wunjaba bapa yandi wanori, they don't understand what is a manager, what is a manager's role, and the ZPOs univate yoriwa zuite musini pasi yabo. Yeah, ukwamboruko at these terms. But let's go back and check ori. Nichikwambori nikoula, how much is it? Because every time you need to wait for it. You need to wait for it. It's like 3 months, which means what happens in between 3 months? If it's just another artist and hana income, can all depend on muzika pezi. So there's a lot in that feel or Razie Kay still need to learn, still need to understand, still need to try and get as much information. Go tabanya. Go oral is you know, if I can say I want to go and work with him, and then this and this, it looks like there's somebody who can just pull out of contract. Maybe because of the disagreement. So I think there's a lot that he still needs to understand, still needs to learn. Already being to attend some of the maybe online courses, the and online meetings or online imbizo, just for him and the rest of other artists to understand the technology, understand how it works. I don't want to get into details on the YouTube stuff, and I mean, because to be honest, YouTube, you can get adverts, but those adverts you find that they don't even pay you like something. You find that advert is paying you 5 cents, 2 cents, depending, because the advertisers, how is the quality of what they want to advertise on. So there's too many things, guys. There's too many technicalities that happens there. Bookings. He needs to update everyone. Or hey, if you want to book me, do this and that and that. So what I can just say, guys, is if you're an artist, try and do research. Yes, share it online, but you need to know how you make it and how to run it and how to make sure if somebody published the song or a fan releases your song, they're not stealing, they're promoting, they're sharing. And then how do you make money out of that? How do you monetize your brand? You know, so there's a lot of things that needs to be done. Yes, his previous album was released under Rita Entertainment. They can still go back and do a split on that. Log in, work on their split so that he get a certain percentage and she get whatever percentage. It's not a rocket science. So it will show you that he still does not have that much of the knowledge of how these things work. Like I said, he started doing it last year. So I guess but when I was 10, Women Gale, Wongere, Mareba, and a lot of other guys that understand this industry. They need to guide these guys because honestly, that video for me is a bit of an embarrassment in some aspects. Kasuzwa zukwambiwa zivaziko ndrizisia rikonyadziseya udorichamba zori you part of the music wa Venda wachikuita example ngai kobona, but I'm hoping uri maybe somebody will get a chance to sit down with him. Maybe I'll get a chance to speak to him. Like I've always try and help and say a lot of things trying to guide people, but it does backfire because those people look at you and like nah, and then the postators trying to say whatever they want to say. But yeah, guys, check out the interview. You on a page, the live video. You on a page. Razie Kay. Niribuzori, what do you think of that live? Because there's a lot of loopholes for me. Go check it out.